Hello guys, welcome back. Look at this problem, spiral matrix. This is a medium problem. This is nothing but traversal of a matrix or traversal of a two-dimensional array, you can say. Okay. Interesting thing here is you see the submission. Runtime 0 millisecond and there are not enough accepted submission to show data. So I don't know, but yeah, looks like not many people might have solved it correctly, or not many people might have actually submitted a good solution. Okay, that's why I thought I should do this and write it in my website also. You see this website InterviewDose.com, where I have written about this particular solution approach. Okay, so why this particular, like why I emphasized a lot on this particular problem, because actually if you see a lot of matrix problem, lot of two-dimensional array problem, lot of graph problem needs traversal. Okay, and when we traverse a two-dimensional array, actually in a particular order, then you might actually end up facing some problems. Okay, so to simplify that, to simplify your thought process, I solved this problem. I wrote an article how to approach this particular problem, this kind of problem in general. So if you go through this, you'll get to know, you'll be able to solve a lot of similar type of problem with each actually. Okay, so yeah, we need to come up with a direction array. Okay, so usually we move in the row direction or a column, that's like row wise or column wise, right? So you need to come up with some array where you will tell, like, okay, how will you move your rows or column when you are in some particular location, right? So that's why it is very important. Okay, if you follow some other operation, I see a lot of ugly code actually. I saw a lot of solutions which are very ugly code. Okay, it might be 100%, doesn't matter, but it's very I mean, you will definitely end up writing bad code and also wrong code following these approaches. Okay, very simple guys, you follow this approach and you will never actually make any mistake. Very simple approach. Okay, that's why I've written this article, so that it will actually create an impact in your mind and you can follow this approach each time you see a matrix traversal problem. Okay, so yeah, of course you need to have some direction array, then you also have to have a visited set, because this is very common in graph traversal. You have to have a visited set to identify which cell you have already visited, and then you will take a decision which side you will move, like left, right, or up or down, right? And there is also, you need to do, this is very important actually, you need to do a modulo of you need to use a modulo or percentage actually, because why it is very important when you go out of the boundary, right, of an array. Okay, so then this is really required, and in fact this is very interesting. Okay, if you are listening carefully, then you will understand why I am again emphasizing on this modulo percentage. Here you will see a lot of spiral problem where there is a word spiral used. You have to use modulo, you have to remember this actually. Okay, so interviews are actually it's an intersection of like remembering few things and actually practicing few things. Okay, then only you will be able to solve it. Okay, in time, it's about time, it's about time. So if you want to solve a problem within a particular time, then you have to find a pattern, you have to remember a pattern which you have already done before, and then you have to use that pattern and follow a strategy. So yeah, almost every spiral matrix has, you have to use a modulo. So that's what I have also used here. Direction, you see direction %4, direction index +1. I'm doing it because direction actually I'm starting from the 0th index, so 0, 1, 2 and 3, and when you hit the fourth index, it should go to the same 0 level, right? So yeah, few little tricks you have to follow, and then just follow this approach, and you will be fine. Okay, so you definitely should go to LeetCode 54, practice this question. I have also referred this link here in InterviewDose website. Okay, so guys, I'm writing a lot of articles here. Like you can go to articles, click the articles, interviewdose.com articles, and definitely follow these articles. Okay, you will be seeing a lot of new articles in coming days. This question is very interesting, and if you see, I'll show you the companies also. If you see this companies also, you will see Microsoft, Amazon, Facebook, Yahoo. So all these companies have asked, even though it's like very looks very simple, but actually companies are asking. You see this, right? There is another thing actually. Yeah, so you can go to InterviewDose substack, and you can see a lot of articles I have written already here. So let's go to dashboard. You see how many posts. You will see like 52. Wow, so 53 posts I have already published. So go here. Okay, there is no views actually here. Yeah, of course, because I have not shared with anyone, and this is the world we are living, guys. If you are not sharing, then no, it's very highly unlikely that people will get to know about what you are doing. And very interesting articles I have been like adding here. It's all about lead code problems, and very like targeting to very focused, like interview focused problems I am writing here, and approaches, and solving them one by one. Okay, so yeah, yeah guys, yeah, definitely, yeah, interviewdose.com you should visit, look at these articles, a lot of tricks and techniques I'm sharing, and yeah, share, like, subscribe, yeah, and encourage me. Okay, thanks guys, thanks for watching, see you next time.